Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Making It Work. It's a pleasure having you here. This video is going to be a tool haul. You might not have just thought of these. Maybe these are going to be new to you. Maybe you haven't even heard of them. Some people use a broomstick to hold up hoods. Some people use razor blades to clean gaskets. You might be using unusual tools. So this little tool haul is going to give you a couple of ideas about how to make your job a little easier every day. Hope you like the romantic lighting. I haven't had a decent version of this tool in quite a while, so let's show you what we got. Enough babbling. Alright guys, first tool, a Lisle 45900 hood prop. Now you guys might already have a hood prop, a light duty one, kind of similar to the one I'm using on this Land Rover next door, so I can't show you right now. It's holding up the hood. Alright guys, this is what I'm currently using. This hood prop is a very inexpensive old hood prop I've had for years, but I generally use it as my backup hood prop because it's super light duty, really flimsy. I don't really trust it, to tell you the truth, but it's good in a pinch if you don't have a decent hood prop like this new hood prop I got from Lisle. A 45900. This is a heavy duty monster and it works great. The last one I had, I used for probably 15 years and it wore out. I am guessing on that time frame. It could be older. It might have been 18 or 20 years old before I wore it out. But eventually these little catches wore flat so that it wouldn't hold the rods. You put any kind of weight on it, it would just go down. So I threw it in the garbage, scrap pile as it were, and made my donation to the metal man. Let's open this up, show you guys what we got. Plastic's a little tougher than I anticipated. A lot of you might have a hood prop like this. That's one of the most popular ones. The Lisle 45900 is a staple for many a mechanic, even do-it-yourselfers. You don't have to be a professional to take advantage of this. It'll do all kinds of things. It'll hold car doors open that won't stay open, hoods obviously with bad hood shocks, all kinds of other things. It's very adjustable. You just push this lever to retract it. Same thing on this one. The rod goes quite a ways out there. Same thing on this one. You can see how long you can make this thing. I mean, it's pretty ridiculous how long it'll go. I mean, it's way out there. This isn't even open all the way. Let's open it up. We'll give you guys a taste. It's kind of dark in here. I'm filming in a different location. I hope it's coming out okay for you guys, but I'm trying to mix it up a little bit tonight. I'm doing a couple review videos, so I wanted to film in a different spot so I can do all my recording tonight in one location. This is how long this thing is. It's still going, still going, still going. There it is, the end. So, I mean, this thing is literally, it's 4 feet long at least. I'm not sure of the final measurement on it. Maybe it says on the package and I can let you guys know exactly. Oh, they got repair kits and rubber. You can buy replacement rubber tips, replacement levers. Probably what I should have done for the other one, even though that was a possibility. Next time I'll know. It goes 46 3/4 inches long and down to 18 1/2. So I mean, the uses for this are almost endless. If you guys got some ideas of other things you've used it for, put it down in the comments below so everyone can get some ideas. I mean, I've used this as a wheel chock to stop cars from rolling. It's probably not a good use for it, but I've done it, and it'll work in a pinch. It's pretty heavy duty. If you can feel this thing, it weighs a good 3 pounds. It's not some light duty thing. It probably weighs about 10 times what this one weighs. This thing is like a piece of aluminum tubing. Super light duty. This also will do the job, but any kind of serious full-size car or truck, I don't really like using this hood prop. It's so light. So I'm glad to have a new one of these and show you guys in the process. When you own a Land Rover, you own the best. What else do we get, you might ask? Well, I've been scraping gaskets and silicone and using wire wheels and razor blades and whatever else I had. And I've seen lately a couple YouTube channels. The one that pops in my head the most is Rain Man Ray. His channel's gone from 90,000 or so subscribers about a month and a half ago to 225,000 in 6 weeks. I mean, it's crazy how fast his channel's blowing up. Needless to say, I happened to be watching one of his videos and I saw this Titan. Well, I don't know if his was a Titan brand, but it's a carbide scraper. And what this does is, it's a much sharper edge. See if we can open it up without doing anything to it. I don't want to drop it on the tip. It's a much sharper edge. You see that edge? Much sharper edge. So when you're scraping gasket material and silicone material, especially off an aluminum block or something like that, it's something that's a delicate surface. This corner is way sharper with the carbide material. It holds an edge better, and it's far sharper than a regular steel gasket scraper. So this is a Titan 17010. I'll put links in the description for these tools as well. But this should be way better for removing silicone that's in your way when it comes to doing like an oil pan or a transmission pan gasket. It's really a booger to get that silicone off of there sometime. It goes quite narrow for tight spots. It's probably a little over 1/8 of an inch. 5/32 seconds or so. 3/16 I guess. And then it's about 5/8 of an inch wide. So it should be a handy little tool. I'm going to show you guys these tools in the shop. Let me turn the camera. I'm going to try out my new carbon tipped gasket scraper. These you keep it nice and flat in the aluminum. It's a much sharper edge, and it's really good about cleaning off all the debris and silicone and things like that. You don't want to push hard though. Let the tool do the work, and keep it nice and flat. I mean, this thing is not like a regular steel gasket scraper. This carbon tip is super sharp, so you don't have to push hard, and it will clean off burrs and all kinds of stuff for you. You gotta be careful not to gouge the surface. Use it correctly, but it'll work great. So now, even though that might look a little sketchy, it feels buttery smooth, like brand new. It don't have to be pretty to look at. It has to feel smooth with no burr or debris or any of that kind of stuff on it. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys these tools being put to use in the shop, so you'll get to see them in my weekly shop videos and my how-to repair videos, where I kind of take you through in kind of a vlog style. Anytime I do any kind of a repair that I think might be interesting for you guys, I'll record it. And these tools are going to get used on a regular basis. The hood props, the gasket scrapers, my Milwaukee tools, all of the tools I buy. I show you guys reviews on the tools and my first impressions when I open them, and then I put them to use in the shop. And I'll tie some of the use videos. If I get to use these this week, which I'm sure I will, I'll tie in some of those videos into this video, and you can see how they work. And then you guys can let me know in the comments what you thought. And I hope you enjoyed this video. That's going to wrap it up. Just a couple tools this time. I appreciate having you here. I hope you got something from this video. Like I said, there'll be links down in the description. Use at your own peril. If you use them, it'll support the channel. So I appreciate the support. It's been a pleasure having you here, man. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next video.